learning how to do a forward lunge, sometimes you have to make an alteration until your muscles are strong enough to do the full movement. One alteration is to use a yoga block. If you take a yoga block and place it in front of the foot that's going to go back, it gives you a spot for your leg to stop at instead of going all the way to the floor. So you're going to step forward, making sure that your knee doesn't go past your toe. And when you come down to make the lunge, meet the yoga block and come back up. And that's an alteration on a front lunge.